Hello everyone, I am Nishu and I am a volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. And today I am discussing about the forgery along with the case studies. So, firstly, we have a content, or in a content, we have firstly introduction about forgery, the next, the what documents are commonly forged. Next, we have types of forgery, then sign of forgery, and the last one is a case study which is obvious related to the forgery. So, let's start with the introduction. As we all know that forgery is defined under the section of 463 of IPC which is Indian Penal Code. Whosoever makes any fake document or incorrect electronic record or a part of a document with an intention to cause damage or injury to the public or to any purpose, or maybe which is related to the property or to support any claim or title, or with just the purpose to commit fraud, and that fraud may be accomplished, which is obviously commits the forgery. So next we come to the documents which are commonly forged. Documents of legal significance that are commonly forged include your identification documents like driver license or passports. While checks are the forged document most people are aware of, there are many other types of documents and instruments that are commonly forged and the counterfeited, like money orders, deeds, titles, securities, bonds, court seals, currency, wills, drug prescriptions, stock certificates, patents, your military documents as well, historical documents, and the work of art and the certificates of authentications as well. Now we come to the types of forgery. Mainly, we have the four types of forgery. So, the first forgery is the simple forgery. It is a very basic and is done with a very little effort. When someone will write something or assign a document with no attempt to follow a non sample of the handwriting or signature, the person will then try to pass off the handwriting or the signature as the original copy of someone else's original document. Next forgery is a freehand simulation. Freehand simulation forgery is just advanced than a simple forgery. In this, when someone tried to copy original signature and try to recreate the shapes and styling of handwriting and signature of the original one, or we can say that when a person attempts freehand simulation, they have a sample of the handwriting or signature at look at, and then they will try to recreate shapes and styling of handwriting and a signature by just a freehand. So it is a freehand simulation or freehand forgery. The next forgery we have is a tracing forgery. In tracing forgery, when a signature is copied by using tracing methods, a person will attempt to reproduce the most obvious or prominent features of a signature on handwriting text, or by using various methods such as light tables. I can compare text and find evidence of document forgery by tracing. The next forgery we have the electronic manipulation. In the digital age we live in, document forgery through electronic manipulation is becoming more common. People will use programs such as Photoshop to copy and alter the text in digital documents and with digitally scanned documents. In below image, we can see a sample of a tracing forgery. There is a signature which is named as a John. In this picture, we can see clearly the tracing. In this picture, someone just traced the signature of the John. So next we have a sign of forgery. So we have so many signs of forgery, but slow and methodical strokes are one of the most common signs of forgery. When people are writing in their own style with their own handwriting, the writing is done fast. Even you make mistakes when writing and don't always correct them. When a person is copying a style of writing or a signature, they usually do so in a slow and methodical way, trying to get everything just right. Writing in this way create very even strokes with little to no mistakes in the way they write. And the next one, the sign of forgery is no variation in pen pressure, which is also one of the most common sign of forgery in a document. When you write quickly. Because you are writing quickly with little thought to it, pen pressure will vary. You will notice hard and thick lines as well as light and thin lines in your text as you write. If someone tries to copy your writing or a signature, they will form the characters more carefully, creating even lines with no variation in pen pressure. Then an unnatural tremor can be as an indicator of document forgery. Tremors can happen because someone was nervous when they were writing. When I compare original handwriting to forged handwriting, you can spot a difference when there is an unnatural tremor caused by stress, fear, a medical condition, or other factors. Substituted pages are forgeries found in multi-page document. A page may take a page out and try to change text or signatures on the page and then replace the whole page in the document. Substituted pages can be revealed by looking at certain characteristics of the pages throughout the document. Now we have a case study related to the forgery. This case study is from Chandigarh, in which 3 jailed in 7-year-old cheating forgery case. A local court awarded 3-year jail to 3 persons in a 7-year-old forgery and cheating case in which 3 people are involved, named as Qasim, 33-year-old man, Muhammad Amir, 32-year-old, and Muhammad Nadeem, 35-year-old. All residents of Sector 26 were found guilty under Section 471 using a genuine, a forged document or electronic record, 467 forgery, 411 dishonestly receiving stolen property, and 417 cheating of the IPC. The court also imposed a fine of rupees 5,000 each on them. The case dates back to 2 October 2011 when the accused were booked by the police. As per the complaint, the police were informed that the 3 accused were into the sale and purchase of cars. The police were also informed that the 3 accused received total loss of cars of accident cases and changed their chassis numbers and sell them in the market. It was stated that on the day of the incident, 3 accused were in a Tata Indigo car which was modified and a fake registration number was being used. A naga was laid at the Sector 26 light point. During checking, all documents of the vehicle were found out to be fake. The police thus arrested them and lodged on FIR. As we all know that we have come to the end of the video, so it's time to check how much you have learnt. So the question is, forgery crimes under which section? Option A 420 IPC, option B 437 CRPC, option C 463 IPC, and option D 463 CRPC. Do post your correct answer in the comment section below. As you all know, in the previous uploaded video, the topic is Collection and Preservation of Paint Evidence Part 2. In that, the question is FTIR stands for. So the correct answer is B, Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy. We also have given the answer in the description box. Thank you.